Okay guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Facebook without unfriending. You unfollow the person but you not unfriend the person. Let's get started. You open your Facebook. Oh sorry. Open your Facebook. And now you go to your profile picture here. Let's get started to go to our friends instantly. Now come here and click on now. Let's see. Click on more. Our friends. Let's say. Sorry guys, let's go back. Okay, there's it. Just click on your friends. Sorry. Now click on your friends. Now I'm just gonna say these are my friends now. So I want to unfollow, but I don't want to unfriend. So I'm going to click on these three dots. You can see these three dots. Click on those three dots. Just click on those three dots. You can see unfollow, but I'm not going to block the person and I'm not going to unfriend. Just click on unfollow. Once you click on unfollow, you can see click on unfollow. Now you can see I have unfollowed this person now. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.